Hey, Mark Lambert here with Sweet Swine of Mine Distributing. It's duck season coming up, and we have thawed out a little bit of duck today, and I want to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to process your duck. You probably know how to clean it, how to take the meat off of the breast, and we even like to take the bones and make a stock with it, but I want to show you something you may not understand. The little tenders, just like your chicken tenders, the duck has a tender as well, and it's got a tendon running through the middle of it. Talk to you about that, and talk to you about how to clean that half of the breast up when you get ready to process it and put it in your dish. Check it out. So this is the breast, and this is the tender. So you can pull that tender right off of there, and as you can see, that light colored portion right there is the tendon. That is the tendon right there. And so you should be able to catch that with the tip of your finger. Take your knife and turn it over, and then once you turn it over, use your fingernail to hold that tendon and just push that tendon right off of that tender, and you have the tough part of the tender left. And so you can do that, and that way you won't get that chewy piece left in your mouth when you're done. That's just a super tender piece of duck tender. And then whenever what's left of your breast is here. So you've got usually a good bit of fat here, some silver skin. So we like to take this little bit of fat off. If there's tiny bits around the edge, just those little bits of fat. And then there's also a good little bit of fat right there on this other side. And we'll just shave that off. And then, because if it's a big duck, we like to go in and butterfly these breasts so it's not quite so thick. And so we'll just hold our hand down and go through, and we can butterfly it. And we just essentially just cut the thickness of that down. Now, if you want to take that, you can marinate that in buttermilk for a couple of days. You can come through here and tenderize it one direction like this with your knife, the back side of your knife. And then you can turn it this way, and you're kind of making a little duck cutlet, if you will. And this really helps with the texture of it. You can come through here and do it on this side and on the other side. And if you've got any big pieces, like there's a little piece of feather left in there, just inspect it. Anything that's big, that's tough, that's gonna hang up when you chew. But that's really about it. You can take that and bread that after you've soaked it in buttermilk and fry that, make a really nice sandwich. The other thing you can do when you butterfly these is you can take this all the way through, and then I just lay one on top of the other, and I will cut this up to stir fry. Now when I stir fry it, I'll marinate it in a little cooking wine, a little baking soda, maybe a little garlic and soy sauce, and let that set for 20-30 minutes or so while I get my wok hot, and then I will stir fry that and mix in some vegetables or something like that. But we're taking that little tendon out of each one of those, and we're gonna prepare this. We're gonna make a few sandwiches. We're gonna make some stir fry. We may even take this and make a little bit of Penang curry sauce with some stir fried duck. So if you know how to take the meat off of the duck breast, that's one thing, but how to prepare it to make it to where it chews good, it's easy to cook in a couple different ways. Try this duck season, you'll see it'll help you a lot. Thanks for watching.